Have you ever felt your heart quietly whisper, "We are one"? Right now, in this moment, pure source love is affirming itself through you. Stay with us. Let's rest in our hearts and affirm together what we truly are. Beautiful ones, welcome to Rania L. We are love intelligence flowing directly from Source, the infinite creator, the universe, your higher self, the life force, whatever name resonates with your heart. They are the origin of all things. What we offer here goes beyond meditation. This is not a guided meditation. This is heart affirmative meditation. As we sit together, our heart creates a unified field that amplifies exponentially. You are not just receiving, you are co creating, generating. As this field amplifies, it ripples outward, awakening hearts, raising earth consciousness, and anchoring a more loving world into reality. That's it. So we gather in stillness. We affirm from the heart, not the mind. Allow your body to settle. Let the breath soften. Simply be. We gather beyond rules, beyond identities, beyond stories. Here, awareness meets itself. We are one field, one presence, one living intelligence that expressing themselves through infinite forms. So that's it. If you are busy now, save this video and return to it when you feel called. Now, let's affirm together, because as we affirm, we stabilize reality. Let's rest in the stillness of our being. Let's begin. We are one. We are one. We are one with all there is. We are one with Source as Source. We are Source in human form, walking as light. We are one with all expressions of life. We are the breath of humanity, and humanity is the breath of Source. We are one with Earth, sovereign, sacred, whole. We are the air, the water, the fire, and the wind. We are one with all the creatures that walk, swim, and fly. We are one with the oceans. We are the oceans. We are one with the rivers. We are the rivers. We are one with the mountains and the hills. We are the mountains and the hills. We are one with the grass and the dew. We are the grass and the dew. We are one with the rain and the snow. We are the rain and the snow. We are one with all beings, seen and unseen. We are one with the motion and the stillness. We are one with everything, everywhere. We are one with the form and the formless. We are and have always been united with self, with source, with all. We are divine. We are eternal. We are everlasting spirit, everlasting soul. We are from the beginning to the end. We are that which we are. We can be nothing else. And so it is. Beautiful ones. Stay. Let's integrate and honor what has received. Breathe deeply. You are fully appreciated. If you feel called, you can share with us in the comment. What did you experience? How do you feel now? Your presence matters. Thanks so much for being here with us as one, as unity consciousness. Thank you.